That's what musicians do all the time. The only way we're able to play some music well is that we listen to each other. One of the things that keeps our music together is our bass drum. The bass drum plays the foundation of the rhythm. Now you all are going to play as if you were bass players, some of you are going to be djembe players, some of you will be the shekere players, all right? So the bass is playing the foundation. The people up in the back, you all are going to play the foundation. The foundation is so crucial because without a foundation, the music will do what? Fall apart, exactly. So, everybody in the back, raise your hands so I can make sure that we're all with me. Superb. All right, what you're doing, I'm picking you because your sound will travel up this way and then everybody will be able to hear it and stay together. So this is what you all are going to do. Superb, superb. Y'all think I can't see you, but I really do. You all going to clap. Which is the shekere part. And the people up there, you don't have to be with the section. Y'all can do the soul clap too. So y'all sound like this. v.1. taken out into